New Grok 5 is insane, and it hasn't even launched yet. Elon Musk just confirmed a foundation model finished training in late May 2026. He said public rollout is 2 to 3 weeks away, and this thing is enormous. We're talking about what could be the largest AI model ever built, with capabilities that go way beyond anything XAI has shipped before. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what Grok 5 is, what it can actually do, why the scale of this thing matters, and what it means for you if you use AI in your work. Let's get into it. First, where are we right now? The current XAI flagship is Grok 4.3. It already has a 1 million token context window, native video input, and a 4-agent system where multiple AI agents work in parallel and check each other's work. That model, released in April 2026, is already one of the best on the market for real-time news and current events because it has live access to the X platform. No other frontier lab has that. Grok 5 builds on top of all of that, and the jump is massive. Here's what we know. The reported architecture is 6 trillion parameters. For context, Grok 4 had roughly 3 trillion, so Grok 5 doubles it. GPT-4's estimated parameter count? About 1 trillion. Grok 5 is 6 times that size. But here's the thing. Bigger doesn't always mean slower or more expensive. Grok 5 uses a mixture of experts architecture. That means not all 6 trillion parameters fire at once. For any given question, only a subset activates. Think of it like a hospital with hundreds of specialist doctors. You don't call in every doctor for every patient. You call in the right ones. That's how MoE works, and it keeps the model fast and lean even at this scale. The reported context window is 1.5 million tokens. Grok 4's standard window was 128,000 tokens. Grok 5's window is more than 10 times larger. What does that mean in practice? You can feed it an entire content library, a full year of community conversations. Every tutorial, every coaching call transcript, every member question ever asked inside the AI Profit Boardroom, and ask it to spot patterns, gaps, and what members actually want next. That's not theoretical. That's what a 1.5 million token window makes possible. It's natively multimodal from day one. Text, images, audio, and real-time video, all built in. You don't bolt it on after the fact. It was designed this way from the ground up. And then there's the multi-agent side. Grok 4.20 had 4 agents working in parallel. Grok 5 is expected to feature dynamic agent spawning, meaning the number of agents scales to the task automatically. Small task, 1 agent. Complex, multi-step problem, it spins up more. And these agents have persistent memory across sessions, so they don't forget what they were working on. Here's why the timing matters. Grok 5 is going through fine-tuning and reinforcement learning right now. That's the phase where raw capability gets turned into useful, reliable, instruction-following output. XAI added cursor coding data to this stage specifically, which tells you they're going hard on developer and productivity workflows. This isn't just a chat upgrade. They're building something for people who actually use AI to get work done. And if you want to learn how to set up workflows like this, inside the AI Profit Boardroom right now, we run 4 live coaching calls every week where we walk through exactly how to build automations like this with the latest AI tools. We've already built out a full Grok playbook, how to use the current Grok 4.3 with its multi-agent system, how to set up Grok Build for agentic tasks, and we'll be walking through Grok 5 the moment it's live. With step-by-step tutorials, a full prompt library built around Grok workflows, and 2,800 business owners in the community who are already using these tools every day. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Now let's talk about the part nobody is really discussing, the structural advantage that XAI has that no other lab can replicate. Real-time access to the X platform firehose. Think about what that means. GPT-5, Claude Opus 4.7, Gemini, all of them are trained on data with a cutoff. They know what happened up to a point. Grok doesn't just have a knowledge cutoff. It has live access to one of the world's biggest real-time streams of human thought, opinion, news, debate, and signal. Grok 4.3 already leads every other flagship on accuracy for events within the last 30 days. Grok 5 takes that further. Now let's look at what else xAI has been building while Grok 5 trains. Because this is the part most people missed. In May 2026, xAI launched Grok Build, a terminal-based AI coding agent that competes directly with Claude Code. It scores 70.8% on SWE Bench Verified, which is one of the hardest real-world coding benchmarks. It runs parallel sub-agents, up to 8 at once, each in their own Git branch. It has a plan and approve mode, so before it touches anything, you see exactly what it plans to do. And it's local first. Your code never leaves your machine. That's a serious product. And it shipped quietly while everyone was waiting for Grok 5. They also shipped Grok Skills, reusable packs of instructions and workflows that are explicitly compatible with Claude Code's skill system. That's a smart move. If you already have workflows built in Claude Code, you can plug them into Grok without rebuilding from scratch. And Grok connectors launched with GitHub, Notion, Linear, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and more. Plus, bring your own MCP support, so you can wire in any external tool you already use. Now, the AGI question. Musk said publicly there's a 10% chance Grok 5 reaches AGI-level capabilities. Most researchers are skeptical of that number. Independent AI benchmarkers aren't treating this as a certainty. But what is certain is the trajectory. xAI built the Colossus Supercluster in Memphis, 550,000 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs, expanded from 1 gigawatt to 1.5 gigawatts. That's enough power to run a city of 1.5 million people. They raised a $20 billion Series E. SpaceX acquired xAI in February 2026, and Anthropic just signed an agreement to access Colossus One compute. The infrastructure is real. The investment is real. Grok 5 is coming in the next few weeks. When it drops, the AI Profit Boardroom will run live walkthroughs. How to test it against what you're already using, how to set up the multi-agent system for your specific business workflows, how to use the 1.5 million token context window to do things that weren't possible before. We've already built the Grok 4.3 playbook and the Grok Build setup guide, and we'll build the Grok 5 playbook the day it launches. 4 coaching calls every week with people who are deep in these tools, a full prompt library built around Grok workflows, 2,800 members, a lot of them already using Grok daily for lead generation, content, and client work, and a member map so you can connect with Grok users near you. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want all the video notes from this episode, plus access to 100+ AI use cases and step-by-step breakdowns, join the AI 6F Lab. It's free. Link in the comments and description. 67,000 members already inside. Everything you need to keep up with this wave, it's all there. Grok 5 is almost here. Pay attention.